And we're up. And this plane fly upside down. It flies similar to the UMX Turbo Timber Evolution, but this thing flies a little bit more on rails than the other one. Sorry about the sun. Get her close. There she is. She does not snap very well. Alright, if you like what you see, remember to hit that like and subscribe button so you won't miss any content that comes out. Enjoy. Coming right at us. Fly upside down all day long. That was a knife edge, if you were wondering. But again, a nice add to anyone's collection of UMXs, guys. This thing is fun. We'll do, you know what? I'll do a full throttle run. Full throttle. Look at how quiet this thing is. Yeah, this thing's definitely faster than the UMX Turbo Evolution. Definitely faster. Turns faster. Just a fun plane, guys. Highly recommend getting this plane. Again, these make for good Christmas presents. Most of these are under $170. They all use the same battery. So why not? You save money on batteries. Just have these. Also, you can fly these. I'm at the club today, but you can definitely fly these. I fly these a lot at my son's school. Right off the parking lot. They don't need a lot of space. And they're a joy to fly. All right. Let's take her in for a landing. I got the flaps out just to show. And there we go. Short takeoff right at the Waco. Let's see if I can take off without hitting it. And we can. See, short takeoffs with these planes, especially with flaps. I'm gonna try to do no flaps, touch and go. That dropped the wing at the end, but that's because I didn't have throttle. But we made it out. Do it again. Nope. Messed that one up. There's hardly any wind. We'll just come back and try it downwind. Oh! All right, hard landing and pulled the landing gear out. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Let's check her out. All right, guys, just pulled the landing gear out. It was a little rough of a landing, which I do all the time, as if you guys watch. A little bit of glue, foam tack glue. We'll fix this in a second.